today's increasingly competitive workforce, you need to be versatile. You need to be adaptable, flexible, and you need to have a handle on the do's and don'ts of your line of work. A degree in business law can help. Business law, a degree offered at the Kelley School of Business, can not only diversify your career prospects, but also better acquaint you with the ins and outs of the regulations surrounding your line of work.
Hey Sarah, I was doing some research on majors and I came across business law and ethics. Do you know what that is?
I actually do. A few friends and I have been researching it. We can tell you all about it.
The definition of law, according to Merriam-Webster, is a binding custom or practice of a community, a rule of conduct or action prescribed or formally recognized as binding or enforced by a controlling authority. According to Janice Strain, attorney and mediator, this degree can take you in many directions and give you the chance to do things that inspire you. Depending on the practice that a person wants, law can be mentally, emotionally, and sometimes even physically demanding. But it is also mentally and emotionally stimulating. Probably the most important thing you learn is how to think and analyze.
So I get the law part, but how exactly does business ethics come into play?
Well, actually, business law is really closely tied to ethics. I interviewed Angela Wade, who's an attorney at Eli Lilly & Co., and she said that lawyers are under huge ethical obligations. Everything that they do inside and outside the workplace is governed and bound by ethics. And also, if you want to stay licensed in Indiana to be a lawyer, you have to go to at least one conference over ethics a year. Plus, there's something called a state ethics commissioner, where if a lawyer does something that they're not supposed to, under ethics, they can get their license taken away by them too.
Alright, so what does that exactly entail at IU?
Here's some general information about the degree here at IU.
The Business Law and Ethics Department at IU is governed by the quote, "Law touches every aspect of business." The Business Law and Ethics Department is one of the largest departments of its kind among business schools and has been since the 1930s. Courses in the Business Law and Ethics Department are required for all Kelley undergrads, first-year MBA students, students in graduate accounting programs, the SPIA Arts Administration program, and the Liberal Arts and Management program. The Business Law and Ethics Department has a prominent presence not only in the Kelley School, but in academic courses of study all over campus. All 15 full-time faculty members hold a JD degree and have extensive experience working in both the private sector and government positions. The Business Law and Ethics Department offers one degree, the Bachelor of Science in Business Legal Studies major. This is an 18-credit-hour major that focuses on modern societal trends, the legal issues that govern them, and how that affects business and society today. The major is based on a foundation of classes covering the legal environment of business and research in business law and public policy. In addition to the core courses, 9 more credit hours of electives are required. The offered elective courses include a range of topics, from the business and law of entertainment and sports to sustainability and environmental law. The curriculum for the legal studies major is designed to develop and drill critical thinking skills while examining the legal background of business and government relationships.
There are several student organizations for students interested in business law. Phi Alpha Delta is a student organization at IU that allows undergraduate students considering law school a chance to learn more about legal professions with peers considering the same path. They do this through different events, including panel sessions with current law students and fundraisers for legal organizations. The Legal Studies Club is for students interested in law who want to inform others of legal issues by hosting events and meetings and also encouraging each other to further their education in legal studies.
US and China are under different legal systems. In US, common law system dominates, while in China, civil law system works. The differences between law systems bring about difference in the legal education in the two respective countries. One of the differences is that in China, there is no specific business law major in the undergraduate period. Business law is included in general law education, but if you are in China and you are really interested in the business law, you might go through a hard postgraduate entrance exam and study business law as a graduate or a doctor. Despite this difference, both in US and China, legal system is a good investment, especially the developing and increasingly popular business law.
So what kind of career options do I have?
Once you have graduated, a number of different career options await you. For example, after graduating law school, you could become an attorney. There are a number of different aspects to being a corporate attorney. For example, you could be a corporate tax attorney, you could oversee starting businesses, operating businesses, or representing businesses, to name a few. Generally, corporate attorneys are not required to make court appearances and work best as in-house attorneys versus contracted attorneys who charge by the hour. The median starting salary for an attorney in the United States is $160,000 a year as of October 2012. With a bachelor's degree in business law, you could also become a management analyst. It is not as common for them to be hired with simply a bachelor's degree, more commonly an MBA. However, it is not unheard of. Their median salary is $73,570 a year in the United States as of May 2008. Further, you could become an insurance underwriter. A bachelor's degree will be suitable for this position, and you could work in a variety of insurance fields. The median salary for an insurance underwriter is $56,790 in the United States as of May 2008.
So why should I go into business law and ethics?
Well, as I said before, I interviewed Angela Wade, and she went into business law and ethics because she likes being in-house. She likes feeling a part of the business and feeling as if she's contributing to the end goal and still helping patients. And also, she can integrate law into a business strategy for a more whole picture feel. Also, maybe if you're not majoring in business law and ethics, the courses that you can take in the department are really helpful for other things. And as Michael told us, there's a plethora of careers that you can choose to take after you have a major in business law and ethics.
Thanks, that's really interesting.